In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to trade gold inside of XM Trading. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to xm.com and then log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to choose the specific account that you want to trade gold with, and from here you'll need to head over to the left hand corner and click on the markets tab. Once from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll be able to find the gold as the first one in the popular section, and if you don't see the gold one, you can always search up here and then click in either gold like so, or you can also add in XAU like so, and then use XAU to euro, XAU to Japanese yen, or XAU to Japanese. From here you'll simply need to go out here again, and once from here you'll be able to see the chart, and over here on the right hand side you'll be able to buy and sell gold. Once from here you'll need to choose whether or not you want to make a buy order or a sell order. Then from here you'll need to go over to either quantity and lots, and then select how many lots or quantity that you want to purchase. Once from here you'll also need to add buy when price is, or you can also add a take profit and stop loss by clicking right here, and then add it for either a price or a specific amount. Once from here you'll simply need to click place order, and then from here click place order again, and as you can see up here, done, you have bought one gold at this specific price, and you'll be able to see that inside of your portfolio up here in the open positions, and then gold should be appearing right here. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!